The search function can be accessed from any point within IBM Connections, simply by clicking on the little magnifying symbol that you find at the top right of every page in Connections. Click it, and this bar will appear where you can start typing your search word in. For instance, if you hit enter now or simply click the magnifying glass to start your search, the search will go through the entirety of the IBM Connection system that you are working in. If you want to filter down your search to a more specific area of Connections, simply go to the left-hand side and choose the area that you want to be searched through. If you're already in a more specialized area of IBM Connections, for instance, My Organization Communities, then you have the possibility to search through either all content or just that specific area by clicking on it. Please note that the search function of IBM Connections is a full text search. That means that it doesn't just rely on the names and titles of certain data or certain communities or other items within Connections, but it can actually go through the inside of certain documents. We have an example of that here, where the searched for item marketing is nowhere inside the title of the community, but it can be found here within its tags. However, even a full-text search has its limits, meaning that it can't go through certain items if they don't contain said text. So, if you have an item like a picture, a video, an audio file, or even certain types of PDF documents, then you cannot rely on the search going through them. That is why tags are of the utmost importance, and why we recommend always tagging whatever you can in IBM Connections, which is almost everything. This helps the whole system maintain order, but it also tremendously helps the search function.